Why I have a web presence. Creating brochures and distributing them costs companies millions of dollars. But by having a web presence, you can skip that step. By having a website, you can show people what you do, take pride in that work, as well as educate the customer as to what your company does. A website gives your company instant credibility. More and more people look on the internet every day. And with that, more and more people are searching the internet with their iPads, tablets, and smartphones. By having a web presence, you can market to more potential clients 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you don't even have to be there for it. Marketing costs online are a fraction of what traditional marketing costs can be, and you can do your customer service from your website as well. More than that, having a website gives you credibility as you now have an email attached to your company. It's much more impressive to have an email that goes to your website.com than it is to go to Gmail, Yahoo, Comcast, or Hotmail.